If you think saving a few bucks today is smart, wait until you see how investing wisely will save you more in the long run. Let's dive in. First up, professional training. Investing in yourself is one of the most rewarding decisions you can make. Whether it's through professional training, online courses, or attending workshops, the knowledge and skills you gain can open doors to new opportunities and higher income. Think about it, the more you know, the more you grow. First up, professional training. Just like Steph Curry's 500 shots a day, consistent practice and learning can make you a master in your field. Curry didn't become a basketball legend overnight, it took years of dedication and training. Similarly, investing in courses or coaching can fast-track your success. Don't skimp on skills. Number 2, your marriage. A happy, healthy relationship is a solid foundation for a stable life. Investing time and effort into your marriage can lead to a more fulfilling and supportive partnership. Sometimes a bit of counseling is worth every penny. It can help you navigate challenges and strengthen your bond. Number 3, hire professionals. Think accountants, lawyers, or real estate agents. Their expertise can save you big bucks and headaches down the line. Imagine trying to navigate the complexities of tax laws or real estate transactions on your own. It can be overwhelming and costly if mistakes are made. Professionals have the knowledge and experience to guide you through these processes efficiently. Safety's number 4. Don't cut corners on things like child car seats or UV-protected sunglasses. Your health and safety are priceless. Investing in high-quality safety products can prevent accidents and health issues, giving you peace of mind. Number 5. The golden health triangle. Sleep, nutrition, and exercise. Spending on quality food, a good mattress, or gym memberships pays off with better health and productivity. When you prioritize your health, you have more energy and focus to tackle your daily tasks and achieve your goals. Preventive maintenance is number 6. Routine car checkups, dental care, and home repairs prevent bigger, costlier problems later on. Trust me, it's cheaper in the long run. Regular maintenance ensures that everything runs smoothly and efficiently, reducing the risk of unexpected breakdowns and expenses. Finally, time-saving services. Grocery delivery or hiring help may seem like luxuries, but they free up your time for what really matters. Time is a valuable resource, and by outsourcing certain tasks, you can focus on your family, career, or personal growth. Investing in time-saving services can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. So, stop being cheap where it counts. Invest wisely today for a prosperous tomorrow. Happy investing! Remember, the key to successful investing is to think long-term. It's not just about making quick gains, but about building a solid foundation for your future. Each of these investments, whether in your skills, relationships, or health, contributes to a more secure and prosperous life. Let's take a closer look at professional training. In today's fast-paced world, staying updated with the latest trends and technologies is crucial. By investing in continuous learning, you not only enhance your skill set but also increase your marketability. This can lead to better job opportunities, promotions, and higher salaries. Now let's talk about relationships. A strong, supportive partnership can be a source of immense strength and stability. Investing time and effort into your marriage or relationship can lead to a happier, more fulfilling life. It's about building a connection that can weather any storm and provide a solid foundation for your future. Hiring professionals is another smart investment. Whether it's an accountant to manage your finances, a lawyer to handle legal matters, or a real estate agent to help you find your dream home, their expertise can save you time, money, and stress. They can navigate the complexities of their respective fields, ensuring that you make informed decisions. Safety should never be compromised. Investing in high-quality safety products, such as child car seats or UV-protected sunglasses, can prevent accidents and health issues. Your well-being and that of your loved ones are priceless, and ensuring their safety is a top priority. The golden health triangle of sleep, nutrition, and exercise is essential for a balanced and productive life. Investing in quality food, a good mattress, and a gym membership can lead to better health and increased productivity. When you feel good physically, it positively impacts all areas of your life. Preventive maintenance is another area where investing wisely pays off. Regular checkups for your car, dental care, and home repairs can prevent bigger, costlier problems down the line. It's about being proactive and taking care of things before they become major issues. Finally, time-saving services can be a game changer. By outsourcing tasks like grocery shopping or house cleaning, you free up valuable time that can be spent on more important things. Whether it's spending quality time with your family, advancing your career, or focusing on personal growth, these services can help you achieve a more balanced and fulfilling life. So stop being cheap where it counts. Invest wisely today for a prosperous tomorrow. Happy investing.